the connectivity. So here if you see on the left hand side, this is one small flap. If you open it, so it will be having the one small hole for connecting the mic jacks. The microphone you can attach, and you can put microphone on this hard shoe. This hard shoe is wonderful that it can connect to any third party flash here, and you can put your dummy shoe of the microphone. It will slide inside. The standard size is there, and you can connect it here. I will just show you one mic. Okay, so this is there. So this is Boya MM1 mic. So this Boya mic, this comes up with this wind screen, and this is the mic, and this is the hard shoe. So this hard shoe is put on the mic like this, and I will put this here. Okay, and this is the connector pin. So you can just put it here on the mic side, and this is, you can connect here on the mic socket. Put it here. Yes, so this becomes the complete. You can just start recording, and you can record your voice through this. I will show you the results of this also. I also want to tell people that another mic system which can be connected is the Boya M1 also, and that Boya M1 is having this peculiar switch. So this is for the switch should go to the camera side when you connect to the camera, and if you are connecting to a smartphone, it should remain towards oblique the smartphone side. So this Boya M1 mic, this is, and this is MM1. So this both mic can be connected to this camera, and it will work fine. I will show you the results of this too also. So I am keeping this aside, and I think this is all about the machine. And now I want to tell you the manual. So manual they have given in various different languages, but I will be showing from the English version, and this English version, let us see. So this English version starts from here, and this has all the information required for any new purchaser, and it will give all the details of the components of the camera, their nomenclature, their details, and how to connect, how to prepare it, how to put the strap. They have taken care even to put how to connect this strap, and this is wonderful. Beautifully they have given. This is really required. Many times how to put this, and you struggle and then do something wrong. Better they have given a method here, a standard method how to put this thing, and this is wonderful. I like it. Then memory card, how this memory card can be put inside, and then there is a menu inside. You can format the memory card and make it ready for storage. Okay, so They have provided the charger and the battery can be charged through that. Battery charging takes around 2 hours, more than 1 hour, 2 hours like that, and it will be completed, and around 1 hour it will adjust. Battery is very big. I somehow I do not like that, because this big camera, $600 camera, if Canon is manufacturing, designing and putting all the efforts to design this camera, I think they should consider sufficient battery, at least for a day. Battery should be able to supply for a day. If required, 1 inch thickness, if you increase this camera size 1 inch thickness and you put a brick size battery which can supply completely. Why this very small, very weak? It's like a toy battery. The children will have this battery in toys. I don't know. Anyway, now they better understand, camera people. So they have made it like that. So I was telling you the manual, and manual has all attaching the lens, how to attach, what button you have to press. This is the button you have to press while removing it. And now detaching the lens, how to detach, they have given the whole thing. So setting the time zone. Once first time when you put the battery and make it on, so you have to put the time zone, date, time, and your country name and language. All those things you have to select and put it there. And then trying the camera out, first time you click it. So they have given everything. It's not that if you do not know that you won't be able to switch on and use the camera. Yes, you will be able to, because everything is given here. Yes, one thing is there, this is only in English, not in Hindi. So this is again, I think India is a big country and lot many people use it. So Hindi can be also included in the manual so that people can understand properly. And saving camera images on a smartphone. Yes, this camera has Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi. 2 type of wireless connections it has, and they have given here how you have to download a application in the mobile phone, and then it will get connected to the phone, so that all the photographs and video you can transfer to the smartphone. Now one more function is there, the same application downloaded from Google Play, so that can convert your mobile phone into a remote control for this camera. You can focus, you can, I will show you that also. That application has to be downloaded, then connect to the smartphone, and there is a typical method you have to follow step by step to connect to camera. It will not just connect that you switch on the Bluetooth and it will get connected. It will not happen. So you have to follow that. And okay, and then they have given here shooting display, that on the screen what are all things, that is 9 numbers of things will be displayed on the screen. The shooting mode, numbers of available shots, maximum burst, recording time available, battery level indicator, quick control, exposure level, touch shutter, and ISO speed, everything they have given what are all will be displayed on the LCD, and you will be aware what you are doing. And then there is a one quick control feature, so that everything displays on the LCD and you can see what you are doing. Then this mode dial feature, this mode button. So this mode button is having all the main modes to be controlled, that is P mode, then this A plus mode, then this mode, SCN mode, TV mode, AV, M, all the video mode. So this all, I think 9 modes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9 modes are there. All the 9 modes are displayed here. They have given their definition and the purpose, so that you do not miss and do not get confused. So this is how this entire manual they have given everything. So friends, you have seen the Canon EOS M50 Mark II, and I tried to show you the features and details of it, including the manual. And now I will be including some photographs and videos which I have taken through this Canon camera. So you enjoy them and try to estimate what mode, what ISO, what aperture I have used. If you can, comment it. Thank you.